Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit video at Capcut. So here I've already opened the Capcut apps, and then if you want to make some edit at Capcut, you can just click on new project, or you can also choose or use the templates from CapCut provided by CapCut, and then you can just click on the templates and click on use template. But if you want to do your own project, just click on the new project and then add the videos that you want to edit. For example, this one, and then you can just make some edits to your video. You can add some audio or some background music to your video like this. Okay, you can just add audio like this. You can also add some filters to your video like this. You can just add some like so. You can just choose one of this filter that you want to use, and then click check when you're done. And then you can also adjust the frame size, the format, and also you can add some background to it, some blur effect, and etc. You can also add a stickers like this. For example, you can also add the tags, the title, and extra. Basically, you can do everything in CapCut to your video. You can also crop your video like this. Click on this and then click on edit and then click on crop like this. You can crop your video into the desired size that you want. So okay, there's so many things you can do to your video at CapCut. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can edit video at CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.